Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this very simple shamrock, this one, or 4-leaf clover. This one is the quick tutorial, so I will be going quickly. If you feel I'm going too fast, go ahead and pause the video as needed. We're going to start off with a square sheet of paper, and then we're going to fold it so that the corners touch. Fold that down, give that a crease, then we're going to open this, rotate it, and then we're going to fold the other corners. Then we're going to open this and we should have this cross pattern. We will flip the paper over and we're going to fold it in half so that these sides go together. We're going to open this, rotate it, and then we're going to do the other side. Okay, at this point we're going to open this, and then what we have here is we're going to take the mountain folds, the ones that go to the corner, and we will bring those together like so, and we're going to fold all of them over to one side. See how we did that? All 4 of them. We can retrain that. Now what we're going to do is with the loose end on one side, solid end on the other, we're going to take this lower corner and fold it up to meet the others. Then we're going to open this up, and then right at the middle we're going to crease this. We're just going to take a little flap here, and we're going to fold that up. Not real critical how much. This is going to be the stem you're going to use to hold it. And we're going to take 2 of them, we're going to fold them back, and the other 2 on this side. Okay, this is going to help train the paper. And then we're going to take the top 2, we're going to kind of bend them up, and then we're going to open up the back side, and we're just going to open up each of these leaves here. Kind of press it down. We're not really creasing it, we're just opening it, retraining the paper like so. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take the tips and we're going to fold them in. Just kind of fold them down as best you can. And then you shape it as needed. Well, that's it. That is the shamrock or the 4-leaf clover. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please click on the like and subscribe.